Number 1. 1994 Dodge Dakota, $3,000, Port Orchard, Washington. This 1994 Dodge Dakota offers surprising performance thanks to its upgraded 5.9-liter V8, dual exhaust, and headers, an uncommon setup for a Dakota of this era. The dark green paint shows its age, and the truck carries a rebuilt title. But the strong V8 makes it appealing for budget-minded buyers who want torque and sound. The automatic transmission and front-wheel drive configuration are unusual for a Dakota, suggesting drivetrain modification. With 176,328 miles, it is a running work truck that delivers big engine character at a low entry price. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $4,000, Boise, Idaho. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale remains in stock condition and features a 350 cubic inch V8 with two-wheel drive, an ideal starting point for collectors who appreciate unrestored trucks. With only 86,000 miles on a newer engine and transmission, plus complete maintenance records, it represents a dependable classic square-body pickup. The fair condition suggests cosmetic aging, but mechanically it has been cared for, making it a solid platform for a driver or light restoration. Number 3. 1980 Ford F100 Custom Pickup Truck, $3,600, Riverbanks Road, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1980 Ford F100 Custom is equipped with a reliable straight six paired with a 3-speed automatic, known for longevity and easy maintenance. The truck features a canopy over its 8-foot bed and a receiver hitch, making it useful for hauling. The body is mostly straight with natural patina consistent with its age. With only 82,273 miles and a clean title, it is a straightforward, honest vintage pickup, ideal for enthusiasts who prefer original-style work trucks. Number 4. 1989 Dodge Dakota 2WD 5-speed, $2,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1989 Dodge Dakota offers a fuel-efficient V6 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, making it a practical and engaging budget driver. It runs well, passes emissions, and is equipped with nearly new tires, a Bluetooth stereo, a headache rack, and a frame-mounted hitch, useful touches for everyday hauling. With 187,375 miles, it served reliably as a temporary commuter and remains an affordable option for work use or general transportation. Clean title included. Number 5. 1973 International Loadar 1700, $2,350, Carson City, Nevada. A rare survivor, this 1973 International Loadar 1700 features a V8 gasoline engine, manual transmission, air brakes, and a 2-speed rear end, hallmarks of medium-duty classic work trucks. The seller has not attempted to start it, but believes it will run. The standout feature is the remarkably clean, rust-free cab, which is hard to find on these commercial rigs. With a clean title and solid structure, it is an appealing project for vintage truck collectors or those restoring period-correct work vehicles. Number 6. 1950 Ford F6 truck, $2,500, Spokane, Washington. This 1950 Ford F6 combines post-war styling with updated mechanicals, including a Chevrolet small block V8 with a new distributor and Edelbrock carburetor and manifold. Though not currently running, it includes extra parts and holds a clean title. The odometer is broken, but heavy-duty Ford F-Series trucks of this era are increasingly collectible, especially when paired with modernized engines. At this price, it is a solid foundation for a vintage restoration or custom build. Number 7. 1963 Dodge D100, $7,500, Fort Worth, Texas. A highly original example, this 1963 Dodge D100 step-side retains its factory 318 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives great, showing only patina and no major rust, making it unusually well-preserved for a first-generation D-Series. The seat needs reupholstery, but the rest remains untouched and true to factory form. With only 38,000 miles showing and a clean title, it is a desirable survivor for classic truck enthusiasts. Number 8. 1973 Ford F350 Super Camper Special Ranger XLT, $6,000, Palo, Cedro, California. This rare 1973 Ford F350 Super Camper Special Ranger XLT represents the lowest production year of the model, making it especially collectible. Powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission, the truck is largely original with 114,000 miles. It will run off a bottle, but needs fuel system cleaning and brake inspection, so trailering is required. The body and trim are in outstanding condition. No dents, nearly rust-free, and fully complete. Factory options such as power steering, power brakes, dual batteries, air conditioning, and cargo lighting make it one of the most feature-rich heavy-duty Ford pickups of its era. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet K10 Short Bed 4x4, $7,000, Grand Coulee, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet K10 Short Bed 4x4 is a desirable square-body truck equipped with its original 350 small block engine, SM465 4-speed manual, and NP205 transfer case. An exceptionally durable drivetrain combination. It runs and drives great, and the seller has invested $3,000 to $5,000 in recent mechanical work, tackling the expensive parts first. The odometer is broken, but its excellent condition and strong mechanical foundation make it a great value for collectors or off-road enthusiasts seeking a classic ready for use. Hash number 10. 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special Sport Custom, $8,400, Davis, California. A longtime California survivor, this 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special features its stock 360 engine, C6 automatic transmission, power steering, front disc brakes, factory air conditioning, and dual fuel tanks. A well-equipped truck for its time. The owner has had it since 1996, using it for long-distance adventures from Mexico to Canada. With 186,758 miles, original paint, original interior, and only minor rust and dents, it remains an honest, well-maintained classic. The included shop manuals add value for future caretakers. Number 11. 1981 Dodge D50 Power Ram not running. $600, Gresham, Oregon. This 1981 Dodge D50 Power Ram is a four-wheel drive mini-truck project priced to move. It includes new tires and a clean title, but currently does not run. Its failure to start happened suddenly, and the cause is unknown. As a Mitsubishi-built Dodge with a manual transmission, these compact Power Rams have a following among collectors of early import-based trucks. It is a budget-friendly platform for mechanical tinkerers or parts seekers. Number 12. 1989 Ford F250 XLT LARIAT Diesel 4x4 Longbed, $7,900, Oakview, California. A robust workhorse, this 1989 Ford F250 XLT LARIAT features the legendary 7.3-liter IDI diesel known for million-mile durability. This four-wheel drive Longbed includes a rebuilt automatic transmission, new suspension, new tires, dual fuel tanks, a camper shell with custom racks, and a clean title registered through July 2026. Estimated mileage is about 110,000 due to a broken odometer. It has some cosmetic damage and rust, but mechanically it starts every time and is well equipped for heavy hauling or work duty. Number 13. 1979 Ford F250 4x4, $13,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1979 Ford F250 4x4 is built for strength and reliability, powered by a freshly rebuilt 400 mm engine, bored to 409 cubic inches. It is designed for hauling, hunting, or general hard use, with most of the difficult restoration and mechanical work already completed using parts sourced from within the United States. In excellent condition with a clean title, it offers modernized performance within classic late 70s Ford styling, ideal for enthusiasts seeking a capable classic truck with serious power. Number 14. 1974 Dodge Power Wagon Adventurer 200, $17,000, Lewiston, Idaho. This 1974 Dodge Power Wagon Adventurer 200 is a highly upgraded and exceptionally clean example, featuring an original 360 block topped with an Edelbrock aluminum performance setup, producing 417 horsepower. The drivetrain includes a fully synchronized 4-speed manual, Dana 44 front and Dana 60 rear axles, a divorce transfer case, new drivelines, and 35-inch Cooper tires. Additional new components include brakes, kingpins, shocks, steering stabilizer, distributor, and interior carpet. With no rust, a club cab body, a clean title, and only about 5,000 miles on the rebuilt engine, it is a strong, highly capable vintage 4x4 ready for both show and off-road use.